So good morning, Dr. Ramya and Harman Sidhu. Harman Sidhu is a beauty blogger, and Dr. Ramya is a renowned. She'll be telling about herself because she is MBBS and with some degrees which we do not want to say incorrect. So welcome both of you at Mommy's World for you and me for this exclusive live chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Ramya, so today as we are discussing about wheat, as we all know that wheat is something which is very important in our life. You can't hear me? Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Can
me,
you
yes.
just answer? Can you just question again?
Sorry,
Because
some
you
network
bring your
issue
mic
with
closer
Dr.
and
Ramya's
talk.
end.
Doctor, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, you can hear. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay,
And
okay,
am I
all right.
audible now?
So,
Yeah. Now it is okay.
Okay. So we would like to have a brief about you, Dr. Ramya, if you can share.
Harman Sidhu, can you talk so that I can
yes,
differentiate?
yes. So, Shalu here wants you to give a little brief about yourself.
Yes, I'm Dr. Ramya Harish, gynecologist for the past 9 years, and I'm seeing my infertility cases. Like infertility is not just a small thing. Actually, a couple who is married for more than 10 years and above 35 years of
Hmm.
age, and the girls, those who don't have their ovaries to grow, and the men, their husband, okay, if they're having any sperm deformities or any repeated abortions they had, or they having any sexual intercourse complaints, sexual disorders,
Okay.
actually seeing. Okay, these type of
Okay.
patients I'm dealing with, and I'm managing them for getting their babies for the past 5 years. And as a
Okay.
gynecologist, I'm working in this field for more than 9 years.
All right.
Uh,
So, and now, as you know, we are talking about wheat today, the intimate use and the things we need to be careful while using wheat. I would want both of you one by one to suggest how we can use these wheat waxing strips so that moms who are pregnant or who are new moms can have this, maintain their hygiene and can use it safely.
okay, so I personally feel like when it comes to the intimate area, the waxing strip could be a very, dicey thing to use. Number one, because you got to be, a real expert in waxing,
Hmm.
because you got to pull in the same direction as the hair. And to do waxing all by yourself, as it is on your arms and legs, becomes a little, you got to get yourself
Hmm.
used to doing that. But I feel in the intimate area, it's a very, very difficult thing to do. It could be very, very painful, and you could just
Yeah.
end up with a breakout. So I would not recommend the use of strips down there. But thankfully, thanks to Wheat India, for so many years, we've been blessed with this hair removal cream, which is painless and
Yeah.
something that you can absolutely do and use all by yourself. If it suits you,
Hmm.
you've done the patch test, I think it's a blessing. So for the intimate area, I would definitely highly recommend hair removal cream instead of waxing all by yourself.
Right. And what do you say, Dr. Ramya, since you must be having patients whom you have known since years, and anybody has come to you asking about this thing?
No, actually, we I recommend only the creams, not like the very harder thing. Because my patients, I used
Hmm.
to advise when they are entering for pregnancy, initially they should not use any other creams in the intimate. So it is advisable at the time
Okay.
of middle of their pregnancies, and just if they are conceived for new time, first time, or it is like within 12
Hmm.
weeks, it is not
Hmm.
advisable actually.
Okay. But then, when do you suggest they should be using this cream? Because intimate hair removal is something, you know, can be a tedious part for pregnant moms who would be
Yes,
pregnant ladies. I'm sorry. So, what do you
it is recommended after 5 months. It is recommended
some
after
network
5 months.
issue? Yeah.
Yeah, it is actually. I'm very sorry. Here it is rain in Chennai, and there's no power, and it is continuously raining for the past 1 week. And because of this, so there might be some difficulties in hearing me. Actually, yesterday it was good, and today it's heavy rain here. And
No
Yes,
I
problem.
recommend
we can hear you. We can hear you. It's
after
fine.
5 months. I recommend only after
Yes.
5 months time, and
Okay.
just
Okay.
1 month before the delivery. Between the 5 months to just 1 month before the delivery, they have to clean it, and before 5 months and nearing delivery. That is, if they are having delivery end of this month, they should
Hmm.
stop by this week, first week of that month.
Okay. And how long they should wait after the delivery? Because when it is done, they would definitely seek for such suggestions from the doctors to get this intimate area to be cleaned. How long they should wait after the delivery?
After
Because I
delivery,
guess, yeah,
they can go after within 3 weeks time or 1 month time. That is not a problem after delivery. But at the delivery, they might undergo some technical pains or some back pain,
yeah,
some knee pains because they have to stay in by days.
yeah.
So that will, I think, that will be the problem they have to undergo. After delivery, they can use that cream. That is not a problem, but it should be minimum 3 weeks time.
Acha,
Not
okay. All right. So, Harman, have you faced any problems while using this cream? Since you are a beauty blogger and you must have used, different kind of things, or probably have seen any experience in your friend circle or somewhere where you felt, no, I should not recommend this, or I should recommend this.
Okay, so when it comes to hair removal, I feel like everybody, at least till our age, you've kind of experimented with everything from the
Yes.
first and the most available razor to the
Yeah.
new hype bikini waxing. I think everybody's done everything,
Yeah.
even a
Yeah.
laser. So I've used a razor, I've used a cream, I've got a laser
Mm,
done, I've also got myself
mm,
waxed down there. So I have tried
mm,
everything. I feel like
mm,
maybe it's a blessing because then I have my
mm,
experience to share. Though a
mm.
bikini waxing was a very very horrible experience, and I would never recommend somebody to do it, especially if you have a zero pain tolerance. So
Right.
I feel like, yeah, it was good because I got to experiment and I got to see what works for me best. And the
Mm,
only two things that I zero down for hair removal is number one, a laser treatment, but then it's very
mm.
expensive. It is laser hair
Expensive.
reduction and not removal.
Yeah.
So your hair
Right.
will come back, you will have a number of sittings, and then you'll have to do your maintenance sittings. So it's a very, very
Right.
expensive procedure, and
Mm,
it's not even available everywhere. And number three,
mm.
you've got to be at the right person's place to get it done.
Right.
And
Yeah.
especially in this time, you really don't want to step out just for hair removal.
Right.
So
Right.
on that note, I would say everything that works. I mean, there isn't any disadvantage except for the fact if it doesn't suit you. The cream is a lifesaver, especially in today's time. If you've done a
Mm,
patch that suits you, it is painless, it is economical. There is no
mm,
reason you have to shy away. You can do everything all by yourself.
mm,
But the only thing I feel is the only disadvantage could be that A, it is not suiting you and you're still continuing to use it. And
mm.
number two is overuse, abusive use
Right.
of a cream, because just because you have it, it's painless.
Mm,
Just because it is easy, economical to buy, not expensive,
mm.
you just keep
Right.
using it like a maniac. That's the only thing that I feel could be a drawback of having something so easy and convenient at your hand. Otherwise,
Mm.
I feel like it's a blessing.
Some technical glitches, network issues. I heard you, Harman. No,
Yes.
that's
Okay.
okay. I heard, yeah. All right. So this was something really good information when you're talking about the cream which you use a lot and completely satisfied. Dr. Ramya, I want to ask you, though we have asked in our previous session as well, but then we also received queries. Is it possible that somebody can get dark skin after using such kind of creams? What is the possibility of getting this skin getting dark or pigmentation? What?
See, actually, as we discussed earlier, we should do the skin testing, patch testing, or
Yeah.
testing done before that. Okay, if they have not done and they have noticed any uh, hot rashes or some any skin color change, then they have to show to a dermatologist to do a
Hmm.
test done. Okay, and
Hmm.
dark color in the skin is definitely not because of using these creams. Okay,
Okay.
wheat creams. Okay, and this is the thing which is going to give you the darker color. Normally, basically, all women will be having some darker color skin already because of the hormone changes and not completely
Yes.
because of this.
True.
Hmm. So how true is this, or how shall we call it a myth that if somebody is having dark underarms and if they use this cream, their underarms will be, the same color as of their the top skin color? Is it possible, or is it a myth, or is it because of sweating, like hormones you said? What is the reason? Is it possible to clean that area through this cream and they can get a clearer skin?
No,
Is that for
actually,
me? Okay.
You want me to repeat the question?
no, actually, Shalu, this is not because of that cream or thing. Actually, the girls, those who are using wheat creams, the girls, those who are not using any creams, all of them are equal. All of them are under the hormones, and all of them
Yeah.
have the same line fold, bikini line fold. Okay, you understand this?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
everyone will be having the dark condition, whether they
Hmm.
use the cream or not using the cream. So this is a natural thing, and that we cannot change whatever we can do.
Yeah. Yeah. So hormones plays a important part if the skin is darkened and all that.
Yeah, it is not like they are getting discharged over there, and they will be
Hmm.
having some, always having some tight inner wears, and many
Hmm.
mechanisms are involved for the darker skin, and not only because of this cream. Okay, that
Okay.
case, if in that case, the girl, when she is completely using only this cream, then the area will be showing some, at least some color change, but it will never show.
Hmm.
And it is not
Right.
because of the cream. Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, Harman, tell me. So, you are in a profession where you have to wear different things. Probably, you must be using while traveling. What is the gap you keep while using this cream for the second time application?
Yes. So, it's a very, in the other lives also we were discussing, it's a very personal choice. It depends on
Okay.
the kind of profession you have, the
Yeah.
kind of urgency that you have to have the hair
Hmm.
removed completely. So, it
Hmm.
depends, if I'm shooting regularly, if I have a bikini shoot
Hmm.
to do, if I'm going out for
Yeah.
swimming, then I might want to just, have not have hair there at all. So I would
Hmm.
just keep a gap of like 3 weeks in
Hmm.
between two applications, and then
Okay.
then there would be days that I would not use it for two months if there is no need of it, and I would just trim my hair, or just use it once a 1 month. So I think I feel it's a very personal choice. But then again, like I said, because it is available, because it is painless, overuse is something that you have to stop that urge, because it's so easy to
Hmm.
remove your hair. Everybody loves that clean smooth surface. So I feel you should
Hmm.
just hold yourself up for the urge of
Hmm.
not overusing it too much.
Right. So have you faced you like I said, you must be traveling a lot and doing so many shoots. So have you seen any problem during a weather change from winters to summers or any sort of in period that?
No, not at all. But what I feel is like, on to be on the safer side, the best part is that wheat comes in very different variants. So I
Yes.
always suggest that no matter how your skin is, always pick up a variant which is for extra sensitive skin, because then you're
Okay.
always on the safer side. Because at times people don't even know their skin type,
I know,
and
yeah.
so they just pick up any cream and use. So if you are unsure, then pick up an extra sensitive variant. They already have a moisturizer, so you in
Hmm.
summer, so you don't need it all, anything at all.
Hmm.
But if you still do feel that your skin feels a little itchy, or you feel the urge to apply something, I always
Hmm.
suggest an aloe vera gel over any thick, heavy oil-based moisturizer. Any day, pick up a gel to be put on top of it later.
That's a good information indeed, because after this use, definitely everybody wants this area to smell something nice, and putting in aloe vera gel would add charm to it, I guess, so that they can even feel good about it.
Yes.
Okay,
And it
Dr.
has a
Ramya.
little
Yeah.
cooling effect too.
Acha, okay. All right. So, Dr. Ramya, there is a query now. Someone is asking, my skin is sensitive. I can't use removal cream regularly. What if I'll apply this after a long gap?
So previously she had some issues with that cream. Is that?
No, she's saying my skin is sensitive. So, I can't use
Then
any removal cream regularly.
okay, then if she can't use the creams only for her, okay. If the lady is so sensitive to the cream, okay, that in mind. If the lady is only sensitive to that skin, if she comes to cream, and definitely she will be land up in a trouble. Like she will be getting some rashes or boils, or any
Hmm.
discoloration, itching. These type of things will be there. So she can do a razor. Okay.
Okay.
If she is tested, if she is going to be affected by the creams, okay. If not,
Okay.
they can undergo skin
Hmm.
testing, then they can proceed with that cream. It's
Yeah.
the last option.
All right, because I believe, like Harman also said, she has been using a lot many times when she's traveling this cream. I believe wheat is made, this way that it can suit to different kind of skins. They already have so many options for sensitive skin, for dry skin. So yes, one can choose from the options and do a patch test, like Harman said and you said. That is the best thing, and the I guess immediate thing they should do before picking any option. But yes, again, the sensitive skin, you are the right judge to talk upon it. All right. Okay, someone is asking itching and rashes for once with the brand. Okay, she's saying she has used a brand and she got itching and rashes after this.
So
That's
definitely she
why.
patch testing. The creams only she have to use. She can first apply minimal quality and wait and see whether she is getting any issues. After 5 to 10 minutes, if she's
Right,
not okay with it, then she can
right.
proceed.
Right. So Haman, anytime you face such kind of a problem with wheat or with
Honestly,
any brand or with
no,
any brand?
because I have very sensitive skin, very very sensitive skin, which gets really bad in the winter, you know. But I haven't, number one, and number two, I haven't used any other cream. I haven't used any other
Mhm.
brand. I feel like since I was growing up, the only brand that I know of, probably being the first one, and the brand name is such, you kind of have this association and trust in
Yes.
the brand. And if it
Mm-hmm.
suits you, there is no reason for you to try something else. And why put yourself through
Right.
this whole experimental
Right.
process
Right.
if something
Right.
is working so well for you? So I've never had an issue like that at all.
All right. Yeah. Because I have also seen always since, like as you said, in the growing years, always heard about the wheat and not thought of going
Yes.
out for any other brand. So exactly the same feelings what you have. Okay. Someone is asking how many days difference should be there in every application, doctor. Dr. Ramesh is asking how many days difference should be there in every application. I guess Harman has already answered this thing,
Yes,
that it's
yes.
completely your choice how you want to use it, and not to go mad behind it. That we want completely clean and every small and inch of hair is troubling you unless. So yes, we should be taking care of our skin. What are the tips and tricks, Harman, you have for the moms, who cannot use the cream regularly in their day-to-day life, but yes, when traveling, they want to use? Is it okay after using some months, say 2 months, 4 months? Is it?
Yes. See, it's something that you can, it's not, there's no hard and fast rule that the only thing is that you should do a patch test. If it suits you, then you're good
Hmm.
to use it anytime you want. Okay? To
Hmm.
be on the safer side, in fact, somebody who's not very paranoid, somebody who doesn't need, like spick and span thing, or maybe if you're just swimming in the summer and you just want to use it then in the winter, you can just trim your hair and keep things neat and clean down there. Simple as that.
Yes.
What I would say is avoid a razor at any cost. I think it's the most horrible experience that
Yes.
happens to you. you have to use a razor. The place is such, you're most likely to cut yourself down there. It's a very, very
Yeah.
sensitive area. I
Hmm.
feel the razor is a complete no-no. It really disturbs the skin. Even if
Yeah.
there can be cuts that are not even visible. So with the cream, the thing is, if you're not somebody who really needs it all the time, you alternate
Hmm.
between trimming and using the cream. If you're somebody who wants to use it every month, you're free to use it.
Hmm.
The only thing with the cream is you've got to do a patch test and be sure that this is safe for you. Do not pick up a bottle and go for a travel, and then first time you use it there and then you end up with a rash or something. अगर
Hmm.
आपको सूट करती है तो आप जब मर्जी यूज करो. That's your personal
Right.
choice and take. Like I said, just avoid the overusing. Otherwise, if you want to put a gap of 2-3 months, you're free to do it.
But Herman, how true is that that they get hard, kind of rough hair after the use of razor or after the use of wheat? How true is that, or is a myth?
See, yes, scientifically, there is no evidence for even a razor, actually. But the
Yeah.
thing is, you cut the hair from the surface, and it's just a surface removal of the hair in both of the cases. It has got nothing to do with the follicle of the hair. So,
Hmm.
there is no reason that, the hair are going to come out. In fact, in my personal opinion, I feel the hair are much softer when they come out with the cream in comparison to the razor, even though there is no scientific evidence that the razor brings out more hair or increases the hair
Hmm.
growth, or the hair become more hard or coarse. No, there is no scientific evidence, but I feel that yes, the hair become very pokey because of the way they are cut in the razor. That's the only problem that
Yes.
I have with
Yes.
the razor after effect. And also, it irritates the skin. They come out
Hmm.
very quick, and then they will poke out of your panties. That's the only problem that I have with the razor.
Yeah.
Otherwise, and if people are going to compare this hair on your hands and your legs to your pubic hair, it's such a
Hmm.
stupid thing to do because those hair are already coarse and thick. They're not like how they're on the legs and arms. So once you cut them, they will obviously grow back just in the same quality.
Right. 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 So, an important question to Dr. Ramya now. Thanks, Harman. Your answers are quite satisfactory and interesting as well.
Thank you.
Dr.
Thank
Ramya,
you.
I want to ask you what is the minimum age these girls can start using this wheat hair removal cream? Also, what is the maximum age? Because nowadays everything is happening so fast. So, any age limit also you suggest कि इतने age के बाद में इन moms को try नहीं करना चाहिए और what is the starting age for the girls?
This question we have discussed already. And like only after the age of 18 completed, they can start using the cream. So that before that time they are under very small. The sensitivity levels are very high. Okay, so they should not use cream. Now, a child standard girls like 16 or 17, they are more keen on that. But I advise
Hmm.
not to use at the age of 18 is always better. And
Hmm.
we can use at the age of menopause. The slowly the growth of the pubic hair will be going. Okay, so we need not
Okay.
worry when we grow like older. Okay,
Hmm. Is it is
so
it is
I
it
advise
also true that all these years when you're using this cream, so eventually the hair growth will be it will be less in the coming years. Is it true that if we keep using it because people say कि आप जितना वैक्सिंग करते जाओगे आपकी वो hair growth कम होती जाएगी. Is it true?
of the cream. Actually, it is like after 40 years
Age.
or 45 years, our hormones will be very slow. We will not be ovulating. We will not get our periods. The
Yeah.
hairs, like it hairs, will stop growing. That is the thing. But that is wheat creams or any other creams.
Okay. All right. And so, moms, it is completely okay for your girls if they are 18 years to use this cream. And two, three things I guess which are important and you should be taking utmost care of that. Like Harman said, don't go mad behind it that you want to cut every inch of your hair if it is there. Go slow so that you can use it properly and like doctor said कि आपके पास जब age 18 है that's the minimum age after that you can use this cream and for हमारी जो moms हैं 40 45 आपके menopause के बाद में आपकी hair growth भी कम होने लगती है so yes I guess that's the right suggestion what doctor gave, and the beauty blogger who is using this cream since so long, Harman. These were the kind suggestions for for our moms, because uh, the itch and the rash, these are two things in this intimate area which brings a lot of fear in moms. And during the sessions when we ask and shoot such kind of queries and getting solutions to it, makes us very happy and assure us that the brand is good. The wheat has got some good options for all the moms and college going girls, and like Dr. Ramya and Harman is themselves using. So anything you want to say before we wrap up the session today, Harman, if we can go first with you.
Yes, I would just like to say that, removing the hair, how much you want to remove, how often you want to remove is completely a personal choice. Let it
Yes.
not overtake you. It's high time we normalize body hair.
Yeah.
Yes, for hygienic purpose, you need to keep them short. There is no, and especially with the kind of climate that we live in. So it's a personal choice. And
Hmm.
choosing a method is also a personal choice. You have to
Right.
see that you pick up something that is dermatologically tested, that is
Right.
safe, that is economical, that is convenient, that doesn't make you feel uncomfortable, unlike going to the parlors and, being in this uncomfortable position and
Hmm.
place and getting your bikini waxed and things like this. Because you have, at the end of the day, you have to realize that they're hair and they are going to come back again no matter
Yeah.
what. It's not like a
Right.
one time thing. You do it and
Hmm.
you're done with it. So they will come back. So why put yourself through an uncomfortable situation or pain? Pick up something that's easily available, that's pain
Yeah.
free, something that's comfortable for you to use every
Hmm.
month or whatever, whenever you want to use it.
Right.
So yeah, don't be so hard on yourself. They're just hair, nothing to feel uncomfortable about. Yes, for hygienic purpose we need to remove it. And for whenever, for cosmetic purpose also, like, if you're shooting or you're going out for swimming, who would want hair coming out of your bikini area, right? So for
Right.
cosmetic reasons also, please feel free to use them. Nothing to feel unsafe about, provided you have done your patch test correctly, and provided this works for you well, you're good to go. Yeah.
Hmm. This was very interesting information, because Harman, when somebody talks about the brand and gives every small detail about it, the other user who has never used the things or probably used it very less, they get this assurance that what you are suggesting is right and what we are discussing is right. It's very important to
Right,
get
true.
such kind of people to bring in front of us in the community, so that we can get
Thank you.
right suggestions. I guess Dr. Ramya has
Yes.
some network issues and she has just left the chat. So yes, wrapping up with a thankful note to you, Harman.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
It
so
was
much.
good to
Thank you.
have you. Good to have you.
Same here.
Our
Same here.
community members are mentioning that yes, what sense. So yes, we are really, really happy that you joined in.
All right.
See you.
Thank
See
you.
you
Thank you
sometime
for
again.
having me. Thank you. Same here. Bye.
Take care. See you sometime again. Take care, guys. You've got all the suggestions, tips, and tricks to use the wheat waxing strips or the hair removal cream as well. We shall end the session here. And any queries, if you have, do mention in the comments. We'll get it answered by our guest. Take care. Happy parenting.